Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready now. Make sure Windows is active and you're at the desktop. First, focus on the taskbar at the bottom left. That's where search begins. Press the Windows key or click the Start button to open the Start menu. Once done, look for a search box or magnifying glass icon near the Start button. You do this to access apps and files quickly, so open Start now and prepare to refine the search in the next steps. Next, you'll reveal the search interface if it's hidden. Right-click an empty area on the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings to find search options. Toggle Show Search Box or Show Search Icon so it appears. If you prefer shortcuts, press Windows plus S or Control plus E to open search directly. These bypass visuals and get you typing fast. Make sure Cortana settings aren't blocking functionality. If Cortana is enabled, now you perform the actual search. Click the search box or press Windows plus S and type what you need: apps, file names, or a phrase in quotes for exact matches. Use the on-screen filters like Apps, Documents, Web, and Settings to narrow results, or press the down arrow to move through suggestions. If results are missing or search is slow, rebuild the index in Settings, right arrow searching windows. This repairs corrupted indexes and restores file visibility. If that doesn't work, restart Windows and recheck taskbar search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.